welcome to all our viewers. You're watching Project Talk webinar by Prop Tiger, where we connect our buyers with the best in the industry. I am Surabhi Gupta, your host, and today we are joined by expert panelists from ACE Group. I would like to introduce Mr. Tarun Senani, Director at Magnum Private Limited, which is a strategy consultant for ACE Group's Noida portfolio. Magnum consults them on sales strategy, new product development, business planning, etc. And Mr. Abhishek Batish, General Manager from ACE Group. From Prop Tiger, we are joined by Mr. Sunny Gupta, Regional Head. Warm welcome to all our panelists. Now, ACE Group is one of the top reputed developers in Noida who has always been creative, innovative, and imaginative in the front of the real estate developments in Delhi NCR region. The group is very well known for its world-class projects and professionalism in delivering all the projects on a timely basis with top quality products. Prop Tiger is India's leading real estate advisory firm to have served more than 25,000 home buyers throughout their journey at zero brokerage for customers. May I request Team ACE and Mr. Gupta to go ahead with a brief introduction of the companies that they are representing. Starting with Mr. Abhishek.
Hi everybody. To start with, so ACE is established in 2010 with a vision to be the best in the real estate market. So within few years, ACE has earned a formidable reputation of being a dominant player in real estate of NCR. We have always created a platform which gives access to good real estate opportunities to the customer. And till date, we have delivered 8 million square feet and another 12 million is under construction. In fact, we have delivered ACE Golshire, which is among the first two projects to be delivered in Sector 150. We have been the backbone of Sector 150 development since 2014. We have future developments also in Sector 150 as well.
Mr. Gupta.
Everyone, as Surabhi mentioned earlier, Prop Tiger is one of the leading real estate consultancy in the country. We have been in operation since January 2011, and we have served more than 25,000 customers till now. We have our presence in almost all the major metro cities of India. So that's about Prop Tiger. Thank you.
Before we begin, let me show you why Sector 150 Noida continues to enjoy buyers' attention over the years. Here's a video for all our viewers.
Proving its potential in the last 4 decades, Noida stands testimony to the fact that plant infrastructure is a base necessity to spur development. The 24 kilometers long 6-lane Noida Greater Noida Expressway and other big-ticket infra developments have been catalysts behind the rise of affluent residential and for one owns residence or for investment purpose in this growth corridor is Sector 150. Beautifully situated on the confluence of the Yamuna and the Hindon rivers, Sector 150 stretches across 600 acres of prime land. Prudent land use planning with objective of keeping it as a low-density area has ensured that only 20% of the sector has been reserved for construction activity. This includes residential, commercial, shopping and educational infrastructure. A massive 80% remains under greenery, while nearly 42 acres of land in Sector 150 has been set aside for parks and recreational facilities. Reputed builders are providing a range of residential projects in Sector 150, from budget to luxury apartments, plots of various sizes to exclusive villas as a part of co-op communities. ACE is one of the top reputed builders in Noida, who has always been creative, innovative and imaginative in the front of real estate developments in Delhi NCR region. The group is very well known for its world-class projects and professionalism in delivering all the projects on a timely basis and with top quality products. ACE presents its newly launched remarkable project ACE Parkway, nested on the Noida Expressway, which refines connectivity for residents. ACE Parkway is taking the rich legacy forward with modern and luxurious design apartments and building design. Surrounded by healthy natural growth, ACE Parkway delivers a home that is eco-friendly and convenient. Ace Parkway focus is centered at international buyers and investors who are gazing for a great buy in limited edition homes. Welcome to Ace Parkway, a work of art for an exquisite living.
That was indeed an interesting take on the Sector 150. Let's get to some question answers. Mr. Tarun, tell us how is Sector 150 as an investment destination and what is the scope of development like?
Right. Thank you, Surbhi. Before I answer that question, I'll very quickly take a minute to explain what Magnium is and how we are associated with the ACE Group. So Magnium is a very unique strategy consulting firm, having experience across the real estate value chain. So depending on the need of the developer, we can work across multiple domains, be it sales and marketing strategy and execution, or be it product development, brand entry strategy, or maybe long range business planning. So we can do a lot of things with the developer basis his needs. And we've been associated with the ACE Group for a while now, and we're helping them across, and we're working with them across multiple domains. So that's the reason that I am here. And very quickly to come back to the question that you have asked about Sector 150 and what makes it unique. So again, as when we talk about the investment potential of a destination, there are multiple factors, which influence the investment potential. So some of these factors are external and some of these factors are internal. So the external factors for Sector 150, which is basically its connectivity, is highly influences why this is such a hot investment destination. So let's talk about the connectivity a little more. Sector 150 is bang on Greater Noida Expressway, as a lot of us know and we saw in the video. The other great thing about Sector 150 is the confluence of 4 highways in the sector. And so Greater Noida Expressway is one of the highways. The other 3 highways are Yamuna Expressway, FNG, and Eastern Peripheral Highway. So all of these highways basically confluence into Sector 150, which makes it very, very unique in terms of, its connectivity with Delhi and also with the upcoming Noida airport. And hence, this is, when you get off from Yamuna Expressway, this is the first sector when you're coming from the airport side. This is the first sector that you hit, which makes it one of the easiest places to reach in 150 today and even for the future. So that is, about the expressways. And we know that we saw in the video also that the metro is already functional in Sector 150. So metro, the station is basically walking distance from Ace Parkway today. It's almost like a minute and a half of walking distance from Ace Parkway, and it's currently functional, which makes the connectivity of this project excellent. And talking about the interior and, the stuff that happens within the sector, which makes it unique, is a couple of things. One, this is the largest and the greenest sector in all of, almost all of India. And this is one of the most well-planned sectors in almost all of India. It's about a 1,200 acre sector, out of which only 600 acres is marked for development. And, in totality, only 20% of the total area is allowed for construction. 80% has to be open and green areas, which makes it very, very unique. Also, this is very, very low density as a sector because it's a sports city. The third and the most critical element is that the facilities that are being planned inside the sector are basically unmatched. We have stuff like an international cricket stadium. We have multiple golf courses. We have an international sports club within the sector. Then we have a international level swimming pool present within the sector. So also we have retail zones which are demarcated within the sector, which will function as the hub and spoke for this sector. So the internal planning, the facilities, amenities present within this sector makes it very, very unique, and also the connectivity takes it to the other level. So hence 150 is all of NCR, I would say all of India is one of the hottest places to live in, and hence investment destination.
Thank you. Mr. Abhishek, can you tell us about the USPs of Ace Parkway and what you think will appeal to home buyers?
Thank you for the question, Surbhi. I think under the current situation, the biggest USP would be our construction status and the payment plan that we have recently, opened for the market. And we have come up with the payment plan 15.5, which is a pay on possession plan. I'll come back to it later. Other USPs are that the product is spread across 11 acres and it's a low density product, as mentioned earlier by Mr. Tarun Sanani. And the product offers 2 3 and 4 BHK, giving diverse layouts to the customers. And since it's a corner plot, it's a 3-side open plot just opposite to the biggest park of the sector 150, which is Shahid Bhagat Singh, making it a very prominent product and location. Probably you can say this is at the heart of sector 150. And there are some lifestyle elements as well, which gives it an edge over other projects. We have the construction technology, which is a Korean technology, and Marquee Club, and we have expansive layouts across all the sizes that we are offering. Another very unique USP of our product is 51 sports and fitness activities that we are offering to all age groups. So starting from 6 till 60 and above, we are offering sports and fitness activities within the product, which goes aligned with the overall the theme of the sector, which is 150 as a sports city. We are giving, as the first project in the sector, 51 sports and fitness activities.
Okay. Mr. Sunny, can you help us with the price movement in sector 150 and also about the inventory movement in the area?
Sure. See, as Tarun mentioned earlier, Sector 150 is one of the most planned sectors of Noida. Also, it is one of the sectors which is having the lowest density in the entire NCR region. So there have been a lot of launches from reputed developers in this particular sector from the last 6 years, and prices have gradually increased over a period of time. So in terms of the inventory, yes, the inventory movement has happened because these launches were very hot launches and everything got sold at a very fast pace. But at the same time, we are also seeing new launches happening from reputed developers from across India, not just from NCR, which is making this sector one of the unique sectors in the entire NCR region.
Moving on to our next segment, I would like to request Team ACE to walk us through the project presentation for the benefit of our viewers.
To start with, the theme of our current scheme is Live Carefree. As we have seen under COVID-19, there is a lot of stress among the people across India, and mostly people are working from home. So the theme is recognizes the same, that we are providing homes where you can work, you can do your workouts, you can have your entertainment as well in a very carefree environment. So that is the basic ideology of the current scheme. And the name of the scheme is Pay on Possession plan, sorry, that we have just launched. So can you move on to the next slide? So just to tell you more briefly about the sector. So the sector social infrastructure is apt, and the hospitals that are near to the sector are JP, Max Super Speciality, Kailash Hospital, Felix, that are already operational and within 10-kilometer vicinity of the sector. If I talk about schools and universities, so there are almost 20 to 25 schools and their buses that are coming to sector 150 currently. To name few is Shri Ram Millennial School, Shiv Nadar, Delhi Public School, Genesis Global. And if I talk about a very important factor in the sector, which will further give a lot of value to the sector, about the shopping and the entertainment. So there are two projects currently that are under construction in the sector for the entertainment. One is Ace Medley Avenue, Ace product only. It's a high street emporium which will have multiplex food courts and retail shops that will be delivered in 2021 around December. Another product that is being developed is ATS King Road Drive. Can you move to the next slide? So as already told, this is one of the largest and the greenest sector of Noida, where 80% of the area is under green, and it is well maintained, and there is a 42-acre park named Shahid Bhagat Singh. It's a low density setup where only 20% of the construction is allowed both outside and within the projects. In terms of sports and recreational, we have Marquee Cricket Stadium in the sector, and Olympic size swimming pool already existing in the sector, and very famous 9-hole golf course that will be developed inside the sector, which makes it very unique. Coming to the lifestyle features of Ace Parkway, so we have always been known for our double-heighted, marble-clad entrance lobbies, which gives it a very, wow factor in terms of if you enter the product, you will be having a, feeling of that you are entering a 5-star. We have further more facilities of indoor temperature-controlled pools in our clubhouse. One of the very important feature that we are using is the construction technique that we are using in the product is my one, which is an aluminum shuttering, which gives in an edge over strength and overall uniformity to the structure. So that is again a very unique lifestyle feature of our product. If I talk about the lifestyle features further, we have expensive living and dining areas where we have, given importance to our layouts. Mostly modern families are spending most of the times in living and the dining area. So that are our key highlights in our layouts. And each bedroom will be, 13 feet, dimension, minimum of 13 feet dimension, which again gives a lot of carpet area to the end user. Uh, High efficiency layouts also in comparison to a lot of other developers and other layouts in the sector currently. Can you move the next slide? So another important feature of a modern living and a premium housing is its clubhouse. So the clubhouse is spread across 33,000 square feet, and where we'll be having cafes, banquets, and the restaurants, salons, and spa, various added facilities, which gives it a very unique outlook in the product. Can you move to the next slide? As told earlier, there are 51 sports and fitness activities in the project, which is very unique. And just to tell you more, it is for all age groups. So starting from 6 till 60, anybody will be having the facility, will be using this, facility within the product. Next slide, please. As a product, we have given a lot of importance on the landscaping of the project, which will eventually give us an edge over other products. So out of 11 acres, 7 acres we are developing as green. So the landscaping features are we are including a lot of water bodies, youth gardens, and the pathways and gazebos, which will give a different outlook overall to this project. Next slide, please. So coming to the payment plan that I was referring initially, it's 1585 pay on possession plan. Under the current scenario, what we have observed is a lot of people are under, a lot of financial stress, and they are looking to buy flats, but, they are worried about how much amount, they have to give to the developer. So we have an advantage here for the customers, taking all perspective, we are offering a 1585 payment plan where the customer has to give 15% within 60 days after the lockdown is over, and 85% pure on offer of possession. So nothing in between. So a very stress-free payment plan where customer, don't have to worry about their financial obligation. The offer was valid till 17th May. But for our webinar clients, we are extending it till 31st May. So we want more people should, avail the benefit of this payment plan. Can you move to the next slide? So as we are offering 4 different sizes, so a 2 BHK starts with 1085, and the minimum cost is 65 lakh. If we go 3 BL, it's a 1395 square foot size, and the minimum price is 82.5 lakh. If we go to a bit higher sizes, 3 BHK 3 toilet, which is 1750, the price starts from 1.02 CR. And the biggest one that we are offering is 2190, which is a 3+ servant, and the price is 1.35 crore. Can you move the next slide, please? We also have an early bird offer currently for our webinar clients. For the first 15 units, For the amount that the customer give us as an initial booking amount, we will be offering further discounts proportionate to that. So for example, if the customer is giving 75,000 rupees as the booking amount, we will be giving 75,000 discount. If the customer is giving 1 lakh as a booking amount, we will be offering 2 lakh. So this is another great benefit that the customer can avail. I would like to highlight that it is an opportunity in the current market where we have a very advanced stage of construction, which further minimizes the risk of the customer with this payment plan as well. And I think most of the people should avail this opportunity and get their home as an end user. Thank you.
Thank you, team, for the presentation. Moving on, we will be picking some audience questions. Mr. Kamra is asking, I want a tour of this property online. Is it possible? How can I be assured that it is genuine also? Mr. Sunny, would you like to answer that?
Sure. Mr. Kamra, I'll take the second part of your question first, whether it's possible to check if the details provided are genuine or not. One should always cross-check all the information given either by the channel partner or by the developer. That should be in sync with whatever is mentioned on the RERA website. So that more or less covers all the aspects one needs to understand before making a purchase. Now, coming to your first part of the question that you want a tour of this property online, we have arranged a special thing for you today. So we'll be going live to the site and showcasing you what is the development there. Can we get connected with the drone, please? Ravi, can you hear us? Sabi, I think there's some issue there. We can move on to the next question. In the meanwhile, if Ravi is able to connect, we'll again come back to that.
Sure. So next question is from Mr. Anand. He's asking, is there a benefit of siding with a branded developer today? Prices are high and chances of delay are plenty. Mr. Tarun, would you like to answer that? I think let's go to the drone shoot now.
Sure.
I'll be back.
Tarun, you're on mute. Can you please unmute yourself?
Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Okay, thank you for showing this live drone shoot, PropTiger team, for the benefit of all our viewers. What we are looking at right now is the Shahid Bhagat Singh Park, which is right adjacent to Ace Parkway. What you see on your screen now is Ace Parkway. And on the right was Shahid Bhagat Singh Park, which is a 40-acre park. And it's one of the biggest parks available in all of NCR today. And it's a functional park where people actually come in the mornings, evenings, use the park for jogging, spending some time. The greatest benefit of being in Ace Parkway is that you are adjacent to the park as compared to any of the other projects. And if we can move back to Ace Parkway, please, Ravi. Just going back now. Right, thank you. So what you see on your left hand side, just a little more on the
Ravi,
left.
on your left. Yes.
Right. So Ravi, just go down a little. Right. So these towers that you see in the front are all part of Ace Parkway. And you can go back, Ravi, you can go back. And we have opened 7 towers in phase 1. And you can already see that the structure for most of the towers is almost ready. Just go back, Ravi.
These towers that we see, is that Ace Golfshire?
Okay, yes. So we'll go back to Ace Parkway. So now we are moving towards Ace Golfshire, which is the first project that Ace Group has in the sector. And the beige color towers that you see on your left, the 5 towers, is basically Ace Parkway, and you see a golf course behind the property. So this is one of the first projects to be delivered in Sector 150 and is a marquee project in the sector today. And this is about a 5-acre land parcel with about 455 units, out of which more than 300 families have already moved into this, to the project, making it completely full of life today. There is a lot of open area, a lot of landscaping, a golf course, at the back. We have a beautiful club inside the property, which is at -1 level with a swimming pool, which is open to the sky. We have a lot of lifestyle features within the property, like a handmade dome. We have a coffee lounge. We have a multi-purpose area. We have an in-house grocery store. We have an in-house Gitanjali salon, which is one of the first, Gitanjali salons to be opened in any property across India. Then we have an in-house resident doctor, which sits there 24/7. So we have a lot of lifestyle facilities already in Ace Golfshire, and Ace Parkway is going to be better than this. What you see now in your front.
That's the expressway, right, Tarun?
Right, that's the expressway that you see right ahead of you. And that is where, what we can understand is that Ace Golfshire and Ace Parkway both are very, very close to the expressway and one of the first projects in the sector. Everything.
And we can also see the metro station.
Yes, you can see the metro station. Like I said, the metro station is also walking distance from Ace Parkway, so which we can see that right now. And the benefit of being in front of the sector is that you are very close to the expressway and the metro, and all the development that will happen for the other part of the sector is almost behind Ace Parkway. So we are one of the first projects to be in this sector, and very, very good accessibility. Going back to Ace Parkway now. Right, so these towers that you see in front of you, these 7 towers are all part of the first phase of Ace Parkway. And you can see that the Parkway project has roads on 2 sides. Like we said, it's a 3-side open project. And on the 3rd side, there's a 3-acre landscaping and, sports zone that we have created, which is completely free of development. So it's technically a 3-side open plot. And again, one of the few plots in this sector to be 3 sides open. And we have Shahid Bhagat Singh Park, which we saw. If you see the towers, the 3 towers at the back are completely ready. The 3 towers on the right hand side are almost 50 to 60% ready, and 1 tower in the front is about 35 to 40% ready. And all of these structures will almost finish in the next 6 months, and we'll be ready for delivery next year, which is as per RERA December 21 is the timeline. Another critical thing to note here is that all the construction is being done by Maivan Technology, which Abhishek also mentioned. And we are one of the few people in this sector to use this Maivan technology, and this is imported Korean aluminium formwork that we have actually brought from Korea, and we're using it here, which gives the structure a lot of strength, which will make it more durable, and also heat resistance compared to a normal brick wall structure is much more. Third benefit is that the finishes that you get are very, very smooth. The walls are like super smooth. So there is an extra cost to do this technology, but we are making sure as a brand, we give the best product to the developers always.
Great.
Thank you. Thank you, Ravi.
Ravi, you can bring the drone back. Thank you. Thank you for showing us around.
Coming back to Mr. Thakur's question, is there a benefit of siding with branded developer today? Prices are high and chances of delay are plenty. Mr. Tarun, would you like to take that?
Right. So thank you. Very relevant question there asked by one of our customers. And I would say that there is a definite benefit in siding with branded developers today because of, assurance of the time of delivery and the product quality. We saw that, the construction that we saw, we are already ahead of schedule. And the quality also we saw is, with the help of Korean technology, we are making sure we deliver the best quality to our customers. Now, Ace today is one of the top 3 brands in all of Noida. Thanks to the trust that the customers have shown us. Today, we are part of the top 3 brands in Noida. And like Abhishek mentioned, we have more than 20 million square feet already delivered or under construction. So 12 million square feet out of that is already under development, which basically talks about the strength of Ace as a developer. All deliveries by them have been either before time or on time and have been top-notch quality. And, the customers can also check this from the market. In fact, we just saw Ace Golfshire, which in itself is a landmark in Sector 150 today. Another, interesting thing that the group has done is to tie up with Gauri Khan for all the common area development, for designs of the sample flat, for designs of the lobbies, which, gives the properties of the group a lot of edge in terms of, class and elegance. that Gauri Khan brings onto the table. So yes, there is a definite benefit, and we would be happy to ensure that the customers get all of those benefits if they if they want to buy with their group.
Great. So Ms. Kajal is asking, in the worst case scenario, if the possession is delayed, will I be able to approach RERA? Mr. Abhishek, would you like to answer that?
Yes, definitely. So since we are RERA registered, the customer can anytime, go to RERA for the same. As also as a comfort, as Tarun already told, that we are at a very advanced stage of construction where we have almost, finished 7 towers in our product. And also now currently further minimizing the risk of the customer, we are giving this, pay on possession plan 1585, which further reduces the complete risk of a customer. Thank you.
Okay. So Ms. Mishti is asking, in the next 5 years, can I expect a good capital appreciation? Mr. Tarun, would you like to answer that?
Sure, Surbi. I would like to take that question. I think it's a very interesting question again by one of our viewers. Again, I think capital appreciation depends on a lot of factors. Be it the economy, be it inflation, be it salary rise. So there are a lot of factors that go into appreciation in the market, which are a lot of these factors are out of our control. So it's very difficult to say with a very pointed direction that this is what is going to happen. However, what we can assure our customers is that we'll be giving a delivery which will be one of the best deliveries in all of Noida. Ace Parkway is going to be one of the best delivered projects in all of Noida, which will make sure that the livability of the project is very, very high, and hence people will be willing to pay more prices in the future once it gets delivered. And another advantage in terms of inflation appreciation is that when the property is close to possession, that is the time when you see maximum appreciation in the property. The best thing is that we are the closest to possession right now in sector 150 compared to a lot of other projects. Hence, in the next 1.5 years, we will see significant appreciation as we move close to possession. The current payment plan is brilliant in terms of de-risking the customer altogether. So it's a good opportunity to pick up the property and sit on the appreciation from here on.
So Tarun, to add what you're saying, the current payment plan is 15% right now and 85% on possession. So let's say an investor puts in his money around 15% right now, he can get the benefit of having the maximum appreciation, which happens at the time of possession, and he can take an exit from the project, right?
Absolutely.
Great.
Sunny, like you rightly said, the base is so low. We're just taking 15%. So
Right.
even a decent amount of appreciation in terms of be it 400, 500,000 rupees a square foot, we don't know. But because
Yes.
the base is so small, the upside is going to be very, very high.
Yeah, the ROI on 15% comparatively becomes much higher.
Much higher, yes.
Yes.
Thanks.
So Mr. Datta is asking, what is the booking value as of now, and what will be the refund in case of any problem? So the first part of the question has already been answered. Mr. Abhishek, would you like to answer the second part of the question about the refund?
Yes. So as I already told, 1 lakh is the booking amount, and the customer will definitely get the refund if any case he doesn't like the project after visiting after the lockdown.
So Mr. Rajiv is asking, we are a family of 4 and looking to invest in a 3 BHK in a reputed construction. We have 2 kids and we want to ensure that Sector 150 is a safe location to invest in. Please help. Mr. Sunny, would you like to take that up?
Sure. As I mentioned earlier, Sector 150 is one of the most planned sectors of Noida regarding safety. The sector is already inhabited, so there are people who are already living in some of the delivered projects, Ace Golfshire being one of them. And apart from that, in Ace Parkway as well, we have a 3-tier security system, which really makes it impossible for any outsider to get inside the project. So one can be rest assured that their family members are safe all the time.
Okay. So Ms. Sneha is
Right,
asking,
just to add to that, Sunny rightly said, and the other good thing about Sector 150 today is that you have Uber access, you have Ola access, you have metro connectivity.
Yes.
Most of the good schools have their buses, like Sunny rightly mentioned, coming into the sector. So in terms of coming into the sector and going out of it, there is a lot of safety and security which people don't need to worry about. And within the project, like Sunny said, we have taken enough measures to ensure the safety and security of everyone.
Right.
Yeah.
So Ms. Krishna is asking, is there a price advantage if I invest in sector 150 and not in any other upcoming NCR micro market? Mr. Tarun, would you like to take that up?
I think the users are throwing some difficult questions for us to answer, but let me try and take that. I think Sector 150 today is very competitively positioned in terms of other good micro markets of NCR, be it Gurgaon, be it Noida. And the only thing playing very strongly for Sector 150 is that, like we said, it is one of the, most planned areas and the most planned sectors in all of NCR, with facilities and amenities that most of the, the Indian sectors today don't have. A lot of these facilities are almost international level, the golf courses, the clubs that we're talking about, the roads that are, planned so well, which make this sector a very differentiated bet from all of the other places in NCR. And its close connectivity, easy connectivity to Delhi and the upcoming airport make it extra special. Hence, we feel that, there's a significant advantage in being in Sector 150 now and then, enjoying the benefits for the next few years to come.
Mr. Jain is asking, I am a bachelor looking to buy a property in ACE. Can you tell me whether there's any subvention plan? Mr. Abhishek, would you like to take that up, please?
Our payment plan that currently we are offering, Pay on Percent plan, is better than any subvention plan because we will not be using any loan eligibility of the customers. So customers need not to worry about the subvention where the banks will be using their eligibility. So in 1585, the customer is, stress-free that even if they want to take loan, then they can avail probably on possession. And just for the bachelors, we also have a 2 BHK size of 1085, which will be a very comfortable size for a small family or a bachelor.
Okay. So Mr. Gupta is asking, what are the maintenance charges in this project and what are the facilities for families with kids? Mr. Abhishek, would you like to answer that?
The maintenance would be somewhere around 3 to 4 rupees per square foot post possession. And since I've already mentioned that we have a very unique feature, 51 sports and fitness activities for all age groups. Plus, we will also be having a lot of facilities within the club for different age groups. So, and some of the facilities that, we are having a 3-acre of sports arena at the back of the project where, the kids can have a lot of, benefit of that facilities. And also for the senior citizens, we have, different meditation zones and water, facilities, the water bodies where they can have the relaxing moments within the project.
Okay. So Mr. Karthik is asking, please help, is it safe time to buy now? Also, if I wait, can I expect better discounts and concessions? Mr. Sunny, would you like to answer that?
Yeah. So Mr. Karthik, yes, this is one of the most relevant questions of this time, and I think it's on everybody's mind, the same question. So this is definitely one of those times where which the industry has never seen before. In terms of the payment plans and the offers which are available from the reputed developers, also the interest rates are hovering at about 7.15% from SBI and various other banks. The second aspect is that the value of rupee has depreciated against the dollar, which is making a very lucrative deal for the NRIs to put in their stakes in the property market right now. Also, the stock market has been tumbling over and up, so people are looking for a safer bet to invest in. So thereby, I can vouch that this is one of the best times to buy a home of your choice. What I foresee is that property prices will shoot up going forward in the near future because of the increasing input cost at the developer's end, be it in terms of the labor or the raw material. So both of them are in short supply as of now, and I only see an upward trend going forward. So I think if anybody has shortlisted the property of their choice, this is one of the best times to jump in.
Right. Sunny, very quickly, just to add to your point, I think very rightly put. I think one other critical parameter that all of us have kind of already stressed on is the payment plan. And this payment plan is not going to be forever. Right. Like Abhishek said, that the payment plan has already, technically we've already stopped giving this plan, but only for the users of this, the viewers of the webinar, we are offering this plan. And, it's only valid for the next 1 week and then we'll be taking it out. Because, these plans cannot stay forever. This is just a lockdown feature that we brought out and we have received very good response for it. So my request is that, in terms of de-risking, just paying 15% for a property, and the 85%, like we said, is completely linked to possession. So there is no milestone in between. This is when the possession of the offer of possession will be given to you. That is when 85% will be taken. You will not even take a penny before that. Hence, in terms of the prices staying flat and these payment plans being available in the market for a limited time is very, very lucrative for the buyers.
So Mr. Vivek Tiwari is asking, please let me know which banks can help me with home loans. I am an upper middle class buyer and I wish to buy this property within a month. Mr. Abhishek, would you like to take that?
Yes, we have all leading government and private banks associated with us, and to name a few, we have HDFC, one of the biggest bank of India. We have this is an SBI approved product which gives a lot of edge to people, a lot of interest as well, and since because of our again stressing more on the payment plan, we have our live carefree payment plan, so the customer doesn't have to worry about the loan till possession. So we will be offering offer of possession. The customer is rest assured with zero risk that the product is ready. He can give the last payment. He can avail the loan at that moment. So it's an SBI approved product. So people can avail loan from SBI or any leading private bank.
Unfortunately, we are running out of time. Thank you for wonderful insights, everybody. I would request our panelists to give their closing remarks, starting with Mr. Abhishek.
So I would, request and suggest to people that take this period as an opportunity to invest and take homes as an end user in this real estate market. As Tarun already told that these type of payment plans are not coming every day, and we are offering this payment plan now for the further 7 to 10 days to our webinar customers. I would request all to take this opportunity and avail this payment plan, and maybe if they want to visit a site they can visit probably in the coming week. Thank you.
Mr. Tarun.
Right, Surbhi, thank you. I think very quickly I would like to say that there are three types of customers who are coming to us to buy this property right now. The first set is people who are living in Noida and close by areas, who are living on rent and who want to upgrade to an owned property. Second is a set of people who are living in Delhi in a plotted kind of a development and want to move to a more secure and a gated community like ours. And third is long-term investors, who are looking to put in 15% right now and then sit and get the appreciation that is going to come to the sector. So if you are part of any of these, three sets, then I think you should definitely come and meet us and explore this property for yourself.
Mr. Sunny.
Well, thank you everyone for joining us today. We hope we have been able to make this session knowledgeable for you, all of you. And we hope that you're able to make your home buying decision in the near future. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, panelists, for joining in. Thank you, viewers, for watching. Feel free to drop your queries on our social media channels. We'll see you soon in the next episode of our Project Talk series. Till then, take care. Goodbye.
Thank you, Prop Tiger.
Thank you, Tarun. Thank you, Abhishek.
Thank you.